Yeah. Hi all. Good morning. Good evening. Let me show you today one of the issue, right? What is that issue is whenever you are creating, right, receipts or means whenever you are receiving the material, right, from receiving expected shipments, whoever may be receiving, right, his name won't default on that received by, or maybe users unable to see LOB, right? List of employees received by. So let me show you that issue. So let's go to inventory. So one line is here, you can see waiting for receipt. Now let me receive the material. Okay. Okay, or else let me change the organization. Said New York. Now let me go back to, right? Now let me receive the material. I am already having in-transit shipment. Let me receive the material. So total 9 quantity. So now let me enter 9, right? If I go here received by, I am not getting any, right? LOV, even forget about other employees information. But my name itself, it is not coming. So why it is not coming is, right? Mainly your employee, for your whatever maybe user you are using, right? That user is not having employee role. That is one of the abstract role available in Fusion application. If you want to perform these transactions, every user, whoever may be, right, receiving agents, whoever receiving the material, he must be the employee of organization. So you have to assign role called employee. If you see, right, this user B34 employee one access, let me show you. He is having all inventory access. Let's go there. Security console. Let me query with that user. B34 employee 1, right? You can see he is a receiving agent, he is having warehouse manager, warehouse operator, all the inventory roles, but still he is unable to perform the transactions. Why? Because we didn't define him as a, employee role, he is not having. So now let's go and add employee role. This is one of the abstract role, right? Employee. Okay. So now let's go back here. Let me refresh the screen. Let me try to receive again. Or else let me once log out and log in. B34. And just now we assigned him, right, as an employee. See, that employee won't allow him, right, to create only uh, um, what it is, receiving. So he will get other information also in HRMS point of view, right? He will get the access to view, right, pay slips, all the information, and also procurement point of view, he will get the right access to create the purchase requisitions, right? Purchase requisitions, and he can receive the material by using my receipts. And also from product information, some of the access like, right, in PIM ideas he will get, right? So all these access user will get whenever you assign the employee role, and also he will get the access, right, to run the scheduled jobs also. Not only, right, receiving the material. So that employee role is a very important role. So every employee, right, business users must have uh, uh, employee role access, so that based on that they will get access like HRMS or maybe procurement related access or PIM or maybe a inventory, right? In inventory just now we seen, right? Receiving the material. Now let me try to receive the material. Of course, if user, right, some organizations, right, they won't allow every employee to create the requisitions, for example. So in that case, what you will do, whenever you will assign employee role, they will get the, by default, they will get the access to requisitions and my receipts. So you can remove, right, by customizing the roles, by customizing employee role, we can remove requisition access anywhere. So now let me go to New York. Let me open and try to receive the material. Let's see. Now you can see by default, as I am receiving, my name appearing here as a receiving agent. So make sure whenever you are unable to write, your name is not appearing, even though you are having proper inventory access, right? Like receiving agent, inventory manager, or warehouse manager, warehouse operator. Make sure for that user, right, you must associate a role called employee. Okay, fine. Thank you.